This is an assembly video for the SHW L-shaped home office wood corner desk. For an easier time, you can separate the different parts before following these step-by-step instructions. Insert the wooden dowels into the designated slots and connect them together. Then use the M4x25 screws to secure them tightly. Next, use parts D, F, and H to assemble the left support frame. Using the same M4x25 screws, connect the parts together starting from the top and work your way down. Likewise, on the other side, use parts E, G, and I to assemble the right support frame. Connect the parts together with the M4x25 screws starting from the top and work your way down. On a different surface, attach parts A and C together using the wooden dowels in the designated slots. Secure them once more by aligning part M with the hardware holes. Then use the M6x20 screws to tighten them down. Flip the main desktop and rest it on the left side of the frame. Next, take part B and place it on the right side. Underneath the boards, use the remaining M6x20 screws to connect the pieces together. To finish the desktop installation, use the M6x12 screws to secure the parts together from underneath. 3 connection points in the middle corner and 2 on either side of the desk. Take the Part J shelf panels and carefully attach them to the side using the M4x25 screws. Next, align the part end slates on the end of the desktop and use the M6x12 screws to attach them underneath. Finally, fasten the shelf securely by applying the remaining M4x25 screws on both sides.